In this clip, we'll be demonstrating the use of a telescopic wand and a belt kit for added support. Start by wrapping the belt kit around your waist and use the large clip to clip it in place. You also have a shoulder strap that goes over your shoulder and attaches into the front of the belt. And the final step is to attach your telescoping wand harness to the belt. Once you're at this point, you're ready to use the wand. If you'd like to adjust for added height, simply detach the wand from your belt kit and pull out the appropriate length of pole that you need, using the twist locks to lock the pole to the height position.